Fight starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, go?
Yeah. I started the timer early, so I was like, oh. Shut up.
Stay covered.
Get him three-pronged wedge.
It's the one your son's driving.
Yeah, well.
And this one's easier to drive than the one your son does.
That was funny.
There's only one child.
Well, you're the one who didn't get your spinner working.
Yeah, well, I didn't want to be that guy.
We're just trying to do it.
thanks,
For
thanks.
now.
Yeah,
Thanks, bro.
I already know it all.
You already know it all.
Yeah. But honestly, I find karate chop scarier than life.
Yeah, I actually find karate chop scarier than everybody.
Then,
Oh,
what about Root Me Square?
Do it.
You know,
8,
there's ties in this thing, right?
5,
Yes.
So, like,
4, 3, 2, 1, back off. I knew you were going to release that one, so I was like trying to count.
The entire match would just make it a tie.
Yeah, I know.
Are you going to talk while fighting?
God, you're lame.
You don't talk while fighting? I thought you were talking while fighting when you just won last time.
I was just being a commentator.
You were commenting on your own fight?
Yeah. Oh! Not surprised on that one.